Welcome to free ICT tutorials Tamil. Dear students, today we will study Grade 10, Unit-5, Operating System, Lesson 3. Services of an operating system. OS, Operating System, is a software. Already we studied, but here remember it. Operating system manage the hardware and other softwares. Two main services are available. There are managing the hardware of a computer. Second one, providing user interface. I will explain you each of them. First one, managing the hardware of a computer. Hardware of a computer managed by using the following processes: processing management, memory management, device management, file management, security management, and network management. I will explain each of them. First one, process management. You know the meaning of process. Already we studied in Unit 1. Already you know user can perform tasks a computer. Here, tasks dividing into the small tasks. For example, if you print a document, even though we see the printing of a document as a single process, it is in fact performed by dividing the whole process into small tasks. These small tasks called as process. All the activities in a computer run as either a single process or a multiple processes. Each process are managed under the resource management of operating system. Resource management activities such as allocation of CPU time, allocation of input-output devices, and allocation of memory. Second one, memory management. Here, specially talk about RAM, random access memory. It is main memory of a computer. Input data are stored in the RAM before being transferred to the CPU, and information that's processed data also stored in the RAM before being sent to the output devices. Memory management process makes sure that enough memory is allocated for each process, and it also makes sure that the memory is freed once a particular process ends. Operating system utilize both the primary memory and the secondary memory. Right, third one, device management. Several peripheral devices connected to a computer system for various processes. The operating system responsible for the management of those devices. Device controllers are used to control the peripheral devices, whereas device drivers are used to control software components. For example, if you want your new board printer or scanner to work properly, you want to install that device driver on the operating system. If not, device cannot work properly. But nowadays, if you connect the relevant device, drivers are installed automatically. Nowadays, the process of installation of the device driver has become easy. Right, fourth one, file management. We can serve data and information in files. We keep the files in folders. Folder is a collection of files. The operating system to manage the files and folders. Some of the services are performed by the operating system in file management. They are making new files and serving them at suitable places in your computer or any storage devices. Arranging the folders in order. Deleting the unnecessary files and folders. Changing the storage location of files and folders. If you want, creating backups of files and folders. Right, fifth one, security management. There are many security threats to a computer. For instance, malicious software, that's malware, such as a virus, could harm the smooth functioning of a computer. There could be other threats such as deletion or destruction of data or information by unauthorized access to the system. Protecting the computer from these kind of attacks also managed by the operating system up to some extent. Various kinds of techniques are used by the operating system to perform function. Last one, network management. Operating systems support different types of network connectivities. They support wired and wireless connectivity for hardware devices in the system such as computers, printers, scanners that exist in the network. The operating system also helps in accessing one computer from a remote computer. A computer network facilitates from simple text communication to a multimedia data communication. Today, data communication is utilized at a greater scale in networks. This concept is well demonstrated by cloud computing. Meet you again in next video lesson. Thank you.